All right, guys. So today we're gonna start cutting apart, well, continue cutting apart this here Cadillac. So my goal is to get this quarter panel removed, the trunk removed, the hood removed, and then we'll see where we're at from there. I would love to be able to start fitting this quarter panel on the Meteor and seeing what we end up with. I do have to pull the bumper to do that, the gas tank, and we'll see what else. But that's the goal. Rip this puppy apart. So let's roll. All right, so here's the plan. I'm gonna cut just the skin off and fit the skin to the car. I'm not gonna take any structure with it, just the skin, so it lifts off easily and I don't bring a bunch of BS that I don't need. So that's the general idea. Close to the edge, cut it. Hopefully the whole panel will lift right off with the exception of the tail light housing, which I'm going to take a little bit more of that material with it so I don't lose any shape there. But yeah, that's my plan. Let's see how it goes. Bill swears the car's not going to ignite, although the filler is right there and we're going to be throwing sparks everywhere. So first, if I die, Bill's fault. Second, if the car blows up, Bill owes me another one. Third, let's just hope it doesn't happen and Bill can be right for once. All right, here we go. This is the filler tube that protected that. So that's what was still connected. Everything else is cut. That was just in there. And I could only cut 3/4 of the way around it. And then I'm done. All right, let's go see what we've accomplished here. Good or bad? Good or bad? Let's see it. Straight shot, more or less. Caddy fender, Meteor, caddy fender. I know it needs a lot of tightening up, but I don't think it's horrible. That side's Meteor. It's flat. It's gonna come out at the bottom of hair. It gives us caddy tail lights, which is unique. The wheel is actually damn near the right spot. And then this all needs to get modified. I'm not sure at the moment. I like a lot of it, and I question a lot of it. Not sure that roof goes with those sides, which is obviously they weren't designed to, but we're so used to seeing that those sides with a wraparound front windshield, that this feels like heavy in the front to me or something. So I'm trying to figure that out. But there's something here, and it's custom, with a K, custom. This is custom. Just not sure it should exist at the moment. Hi guys, if you haven't met her yet, which I think you have, that's Frida. She came over to hang out. Kurt's still alive, he's well, he's okay. He's just tired and staying at home. He was here this morning though. But here's what we got to today with the car. I have had a nervous breakdown over this already. Not really, but you know what I mean? It was like, I was processing. I think maybe you see that in some of the footage. Because I just wasn't seeing it. I had it the other day in my head. It was right. And I started putting stuff together again today, and I hated it. And now I'm back to liking it. I ate some food, you know. I'm like you got to feed them, and then they stay happy, and everything's good. But here, check it out, guys. Check it out. I think it actually works. I'm gonna go over my flaws that I have right now. So this is one of the things. There's actually a decent gap right there, but I think I'm gonna be able to rework this down. It might be tight. It might, have like a hardness to it or something. I'm gonna try to make it as nice as I can. We're just gonna have to see how it turns out. The flow down here right now isn't perfect, but it's pretty good. It goes down. This one's angled a little bit in, so I don't know if I can shift it out at all. Maybe that's the key right there. Right? Just that little bit wider. Honestly, I'm gonna come back tomorrow and I'm gonna hate it again. But that might give me the line that I need to connect these two. That back one's got some funkiness to it. But essentially we're left with fender, makes total sense. Rear fender, I actually really like it. So it's different. I don't know if my buddy Bill is sold on it, but I like it. I think it's what I was looking for. You got to remember, it doesn't have the little lens in there right now. The trunk needs to go on there, but it's cool, and it's hard with all the different colors going on right now. But see, from here I hate the front. Looks like a Henry J or something. It's got a swoop, a weirdness. Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna keep messing with it, but that's where I got to today. This guy's got a couple tacks just to hold it in place so I can look at it. It's definitely gonna get cut back off, put back on, that whole thing. The way it is right now, I'm gonna have to literally manufacture from here to that fender, reskin the door and do everything. So, I mean, we'll see how this goes. I don't know right this minute. And I mean, I don't mean that like I just, it's a lot, and I'm hoping that I fall back in love with my idea in the next day or two as I clean this up. Because at the moment what's happening is I go, there's that gap that's just all wrong. But if I put like a bar across it, it doesn't look bad. Like I can see the line then. Okay, it makes sense. It's just not the Meteor line anymore. I've come to terms with the roof. I know I mentioned that earlier. I think it's fine. Part of me wants to like primer the whole car out or strip it. Maybe I'll go bare metal. And that'll give me the chance to see things in a single tone. Because it's starting to chop up on me and make me a little cuckoo. Anyway, I know. Someone's going to say I was already crazy. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. Anyway, guys, that's where we're at today. I'm going to try to put together like a video out of this and then maybe another one over the next couple days and see what we can do there. Yeah, anyway, hope you're enjoying it. I think it's pretty cool. What do you think, Frida? Yeah, Frida says it's good. All right, guys. We'll see you soon.